Hi all, Melissa here. I'm just going to be showing you, Patty's kindly said I can do some videos in her group because I write books for pendulum healing and dowsing. I've written about 10 now and I'm still writing them. So I'm just going to be doing videos once or twice a week to show you different things, how to use your pendulum for dowsing and healing. So this, first of all, I thought I'd start at the beginning. This is from my book, Listen to the Wisdom of Your Soul, which is my fourth book. But it's the most beautiful book. It's got beautiful charts in it. So the first chart we can look at is different areas that you need to check before you start your pendulum work. So how high your vibration is, how grounded you are, whether your space is cleared, whether your dowsing is accurate, whether you're free of dowsing fears, and whether you have client permission. So they're just some of the dowsing protocols you can use before dowsing. So it's all pretty much put in this chart. You can make your own charts. So you can check on a 0 to 100. How high is my vibration? It's at 80. How grounded am I? Space cleared is less. How accurate is my dowsing? It's accurate. And am I free of dowsing fears? I'm free of dowsing fears because it's gone to the free one. So you can basically, as you know, you can just do clockwise pendulum moves, enable me to be grounded, centered, free of non-beneficial energy. And I always say, ask that the pendulum only listen to the sound of my voice, so that it's only connecting to my higher self and source positive energy light, and increase the vibration and connection and understanding, and only do this pendulum healing for the highest good of all concerned, and enable me to release emotional attachments to the outcome. So doing this will enable you to know that you're dowsing and healing in a safe, energetic space. So let's check and see if that's helped me with my space clearing. What percent is my space cleared? Now it's cleared for 100%. And if I check on this, space cleared, it says space cleared. So it's cleared. So we can just do a quick energy healing. I thought we could do I did pick one earlier. I thought we can do this. We can do a cellular trauma release healing, which is one of my favourites. So we can douse and ask if our cells are holding on to a traumatic memory pattern, causing a situation to occur and reoccur. So we can ask to connect to our cell consciousness as a whole to release trauma. And we can state that we're aware of the trauma and we will be working together with our body to support and clear old energetic frequencies. So let's just do a clearing now. You can douse over a picture of a cell, or you can just douse over a picture of yourself, or any chart you want to. So my cells and tissues release all pain, trauma and blame, discomfort, fears and worries. They release all persecution complex from cellular energy and memory, keeping me trapped and in a state of fearful resistance to growth. I remove to zero old belief systems, trauma-filled memories and belief systems filling my cells, blood, bones, tissues and organs, affecting my health and wealth now. Release throat chakra persecution and any time I was silenced, shamed or blamed. My cells release this now. Can you see how wide it's clearing? seems to be a lot of clearing going on with this pendulum healing command. And I feel like I want to breathe heavily outwards. So we're releasing all old belief systems and trauma-filled memories from our cellular energy and memory. So we also release fears and secondary gains, keeping us shocked, trapped, and not free. Transmute the energy of trauma triggers. You are free to leave the holding patterns now. Remove all subconscious mind control programs and patterns contained within the spine, brain, marrow, blood, and storage organs and systems. Release now. So you can do cellular trauma release commands like this. It's going pretty fast, so it's kind of releasing a lot. And your body will know what to release and we can send it down. You might want to blow out, or you might yawn a bit when you're doing energy healing. Completely clear and release subconscious mind control patterns and energy affecting our spine, our brain, our marrow, our blood, our storage and organ systems. So we don't want to be going on to the next section until this completely has been released, which is when the pendulum stops moving, we'll know that the cellular trauma release has occurred. Okay, that's released. You can check if it's released by asking yes or no. My yes is like that, diagonal, so it's gone to yes. Okay, so once you've released energy, we can install energy, which is clockwise. So I install and run an operating system based on complete freedom of movement, thought, behaviour and awareness. Cellular power, energy and memory is clear, and I run a subconscious program of empowerment. I restore cellular functioning, energy and vitality where was loss. Cellular energy is free, renewed and restored, and accepts more light consciousness from this shift out of the dark. Whew. So that's quite a powerful set of commands for clearing cellular trauma and releasing the old. Just wait till that finishes. And as you know, with working with Patty's believers, they might give you some more information or tips on how to do the energy work. As you know, they're quite chatty. Okay. So that seems to have finished. So you will receive the energy healing from this video. If someone does a video and it's energy healing, you can receive the healing by watching the video, as that's the way energy healing works. So I hope that's useful as a set of commands for you. You can buy any of my books in the Etsy shop. I'll put a link below in the post. But I'll be doing different videos with Patty's believers over the next month. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that.